with the electric bikes especially, if you get up on a log like that and stop, it's gonna be hard to get going. So you're gonna have to rock it a little bit.
Like this?
Yeah, and give it gas. There you go, there you go. Smooth throttle. What'd you do, hit a log?
Yeah, a little trap laying right here in the weeds. Don't worry, Weston, I've already crashed too.
Where'd you crash?
Right there in that dip. I did like an idiot. That'll back up, buddy.
Vespa. This is like a Vespa on this trail. It rides like a Vespa. It rides like a Vespa. Even feels like you're riding a Vespa, but it's not a Vespa, but it feels like you're riding a Vespa. It feels like it, but you're not actually riding one, it just feels like it. That's why I'm so struck on this bike. This bike makes me struck. Makes me brave. Brave. I'm a brave kid. I'm a kid that's brave. Ooh. Yep. There we go. Got stuck on a log. Yeah, we just got stuck on a log there. This is the hardest trail I've ever done. This feels like a mansion. I can feel like a mansion already. Yeah, I earned that. I earned nice work. Even though it's the hardest trail grown-ups have ever done. But for me, it's like this is literally like the easiest trail I've ever done, but it's the hardest trail for grown-ups. People have been saying they've never made it to the top of the mountain.
Oh, good job, dude! I like that balance correction, man!
Other adventures, where are you? They always count. Even when you're in your home, they count. Everything you do.
Take a break whenever you want, buddy.
What?
You can take a break whenever you feel like it. What do you think about this? Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's different than riding on a track, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fun though, right?
Yeah.